Follow good manufacturing practices. What is good manufacturing practices? Is following work instructions part of good manufacturing practices? How to understand and apply the standard operating procedure in our work? What is the relationship between SOP and work instructions? Types of standard operating procedures: manufacturing, quality control, material handling, storage, packaging, labeling, maintenance, calibration of measuring instruments and equipment, etc. Improve your operating efficiency. By the end of this module, learners should be able to interpret the basic information given in a standard operating procedure, identify the relevant standard operating procedures for a given task in accordance with work instructions, carry out the tasks in accordance with the standard operating procedures. Why wait? To know more about Follow Good Manufacturing Practices, visit our website www.elitc.com.